well-made wood furniture sustainable. As long as you take good care of it and maintain it from time to time, wood furniture can last for several years. Because of its low carbon footprint, wood is the most environmentally friendly raw material used for furniture. The energy needed to produce wood products is much less than those crafted from other materials. That's one of the reasons why wood furniture is so popular from ancient times. Since there are different types of wood you can use in your furniture project or other woodworking projects, you need to choose wisely. The best type of wood for your furniture depends on your budget and how you will use it. The ideal wood for your project is the one with good strength, appearance and affordable cost. If you want to carve out some stylish wood furniture pieces next time, we have gathered some ideas you can consider. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture ideas for your next woodworking project. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furniture provides a place to relax in your home. But not only does furniture give you a spot to physically get comfortable, but furniture also gives a home an overall feeling of comfort. This is due to the fact that furniture fills a space and makes the space feel full and cozy. At an intuitive level, seeing grain patterns in wood reminds us of nature and generates the feeling of being in a forest. Similarly, wood is a great absorber of sound. These pleasing acoustic properties helps create a peaceful environment. Owning furniture not only provides feelings of comfort, but of great self-satisfaction. When you buy and own anything of your own, it can be fulfilling. But, because you will be using your furniture almost every day, it is even more satisfying. You will be reminded every day that you have created this life for yourself. Furniture can be an indication to yourself that you are doing well and can greatly improve your mood. Wood furniture comes in all forms, shapes and sizes. As a woodworker, your goal could be to make the wood furniture for your own use or for sale. There are many profitable items that you can make if you are interested in how to sell woodworking projects. The most profitable woodworking project to build and sell are determined by what's needed in your community. This could vary from season to season and you need to follow trends closely. Your wooden furniture pieces can be used in a variety of different ways across homes. Make sure your furniture pieces are multi-purpose as much as possible so that they are perfect fit for different areas in the house such as the dining room and the kitchen. This way your work could appeal to a wide customer base. Multifunctional features have been popular interior design trends over the years and they will remain present this year and in the future. A piece of multifunctional wooden furniture would be a great option, especially if you have limited space. You can make a complete set of furniture that you can transform into various designs. These furniture pieces can be in the form of shelving units, pull-out drawer tables, sliding worktops or folding chairs, and so on. When working as a woodworker, one thing you should always consider is sustainability, which is still one of the international trends. Since wooden furniture is a timeless piece that lasts over time, it's a perfect addition to your interiors. But when selecting wood for your furniture, make sure to choose something with non-toxic and environmentally friendly finishes. Natural wood furniture pairs well with anything. But to nail an eclectic look, you can complement wood furniture with a modern application of color on your interiors. Strengthening connection with nature becomes increasingly essential these days. It's no wonder earthy elements like wood are an excellent item for your interior. When compared to other materials such as plastic, wooden furniture definitely promises more durability and longevity. Hence, most people prefer wooden furniture for the bedroom and living room. This gives a better market potential for a committed woodworker. Just make sure your furniture pieces are made to the finest detail and the market will follow. Owning your own furniture provides you with the ability to find your own style. When you move into a new place, you have the option to fill the space with furniture that you love. Furniture provides a way to express yourself in your own home. When people come to visit, they will be able to see your personality through your furniture and the decorations that you add to your home. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish wood furniture ideas for your next woodworking project. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.